Welcome back to my channel. It's Wren, where we're here to always talk about increasing your profits, scaling your business, and truly building your wealth. And today what I'm going to cover with you is something that is so foundational in business that I see done wrong so many times, my 5-minute meeting. And what I mean by that, you're going, well, 5-minute meeting, how can you get through a meeting in 5 minutes? Well, that's what I found too, and that's the way I used to feel about meetings. Like, okay, we were here for an hour and 90 minutes. What did we really accomplish? And I'm going to share with you how, with a simple process that I use called a 5-minute meeting, you can dramatically increase the communication and the culture of your business. Because most cultures I find suffer most from a lack of just consistent communication for one of two reasons. One is it's just not a focus, or number two, they have meetings but they're just ineffective, or they take too long. And then if they take too long and they're ineffective, people don't have a meeting. So let's get to it. The simple structure of a 5-minute meeting, the most notable thing about it, this should be 5 minutes or less. Hence, that's why we call it a 5-minute meeting. And so the first thing you're going to say is 0 to 10, where are you at today? 0 to 10, where are you at today? And people need to put a number on it, right? Too often people say, oh, I feel good, I feel great, I feel amazing. But 0 to 10, where are you at? And then what would make it a 10? And list off, oh, if I feel like a 7 today, what would make it a 10? Well, you know what? I need to, refocus myself on what is really important and the priorities are today. And I need to let go of this one thing that happened this morning that's bothering me. Okay, well, when would now be a good time to do that? So identify what would make it a 10. So we're training our brain what we can do to become a 10 on a consistent basis. So 0 to 10, where are you? And then why are you there? Now, you don't want to live in that part of it, but you want to say, why am I a 7 right now? Well, something happened this morning and it kind of took me off track and I've been letting it bother me. Okay, well, great. That's why you're at a 7. Understand that. But then what would make it a 10? Okay, number one, to just reset. Okay, take a short break, grab a bite to eat, have something to drink, and just let go of whatever was bothering me this morning. I'll probably be back to a 10. Now we're training the brain not only what we were, why we were there, but what would get us back to a 10. And then next is so important. We got to celebrate what's 5 things in this exact language that are amazing, incredible, or outstanding in your life right now. Now you say, Luke, why would they have to be amazing, incredible, or outstanding? Because your language becomes your experience. If I just say, give me 5 things that are good in your life right now, that has a different energy to it. See, the majority of the time I feel amazing, incredible, or outstanding. But that's because I use that language on a consistent basis. And oftentimes in meetings, we're always addressing what's wrong, what isn't right. So we need to build some positive revenue with ourselves and others when meeting with them. Hey, what's 5 things that are amazing, incredible, outstanding? And list off 5 things. Like it could be, hey, I got in a great workout this morning. Hey, everything's gone on time today. I caught myself off as a 7, but I reset and operating at a 10 now. I'm shooting some really incredible content for my YouTube community. And you know what? I'm very excited to have a great night watching the sunset tonight. It always doesn't have to be about business, just 5 things that are amazing, outstanding, and incredible. So now there's some positive energy and revenue there that you can use to ask the next question. What's the number one focus or challenge of the week? See, all too often we get scatterbrained. Here's a squirrel, was that a ball? And we're looking everywhere else. We're trying to manage multiple things. But there's 52 weeks in a year. If we identify what's the wildly important challenge or focus of the week, 52 times a year, take 4 weeks off, 48 times a year, not including vacations, you're going to make significant progress. So what is that number one challenge or focus? Lastly, how can I support you? What do you need from me? So you get clear. If there's anything they need from you, excellent. Finally, is there anything else you need? Nope. Great. And that's your 5-minute meeting. Very simple. 0 to 10, where are you at? Why are you there? What would make it a 10? 5 things that are amazing, incredible, and outstanding in your life right now? What's the focus or challenge of the week? What do you need from me? Is there anything else? Excellent. Go crush your week. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to the channel and check out a couple of these other great videos I put up to help you scale your business and truly build your wealth.